Now let's move on to the sleeve. So to cut out the sleeve, my fabric is folded into four. So I'm going to measure the length for the sleeve. My client's sleeve length is 23 inches for a long sleeve. But because I'm going to be turning this with line with the Ankara, I'm making it to be 24. This is 24. So I'm going to measure down her cap height. So on her cap height, I'm going to put a armhole length, the same as I used when drafting the dress. Then ease of half inch, and then my seam allowance. Okay. Then get my armhole cuff this way. Can you see? Then I'll roll it straight down. So if you like, you can give it a little bit of shape around the elbow area or around the upper arm. So let me just give it a little shape here. So here I'll just come in like this and then give it a shape. From the top to where I give it that shape is 10 inches. Then I measure in 1.5 so that I can give it a nice shape. But you have to confirm and be sure it's up to your round sleeve at that particular place with seam allowance, of course. Hope it's clear. Then I'm going to cut this out now. So this is the sleeve. Then I'm going to cut the Ankara exactly like this. So I'll go and use the Ankara to turn the lace before we cut out the shape. It's having one shape here that we're going to be replacing with pleated Ankara. I'll just use one as an example. So for the sleeve, match the right side of the lace together with the wrong side of the sleeve this way. You stitch the hem line together. Then stitch the side together as well. So I'm done. Next, just dip your hand in and bring everything out to the good side. So you take to the ironing table now and iron, then repeat the same step to the second sleeve. So here I'm making it to be 3.75 and here 8 inches should be okay. 8 inches should be okay. 8, 8 here, 3.75 here, then you connect it together. So from here, I'm going to cut it off. Can you see? So we are going to be replacing this with the Ankara with some pleats. So just pay attention. Attention. So this is what we are going to be using to replace this. It's folded into two upwards. The length upward is 9.5, exactly 9.5. Then the width here, the width is 21 inches. So you create pleats. Create pleats with it. Like so, like so, like so. my pleat is too narrow, so I'll readjust it. Perfect. Like this. So place this on top. You know you need ½ inch to sew all around. ½ inch to sew it all around. So the way it is like this, I'm going to pin it. Then I'll take to my machine. I'll stitch ½ inch outside where my lace is stopping here, all around. Then before I'll come and cut it off. Okay. On the lace, I'm just going to stitch so that the pleats can remain in place for me. ½ inch outside where the lace is stopping. So this is the sleeve. So that it will not be shifting, let me stitch here together first. Notch the center. Then carry one of the pleats. You also locate the center. Then you match the center with the center. You sew to the left and then you sew to the right. Then from the center again, now you just turn it upside down and stitch all the way to the other side. Can you see how beautiful and perfect it is? Beautiful and gorgeous. So you notch here and then weave to the other side. Lily, yes, you even see the way I did this sleeve? You did not? Yeah, you see it in the video.